Charlie. Now you can see inside his mouth, his teeth, his tongue, his throat. Alligators, they hatch out with 80 teeth, 40 top and 40 bottom. And their teeth fall out over and over. They end up regrowing 5,000 teeth throughout their lifetime. Now what you're going to notice right now, he's getting upset. Charlie hates the game, I got your nose. Now, if you look at the back of his throat, you should be able to see my ex-girlfriend hanging in there. If not, the throat is closed off. That's called the epiglottis. That stays shut. When he goes under the water, he doesn't drown. The tongue controls all that. It's attached down. You pull it down, open it a little bit. But if you push it up, it makes a weird sound and go. But you'll notice he can't stick it past. I love it. It's like Squid Game. I know it's all weird.
Red light.
Red light, green light.
I don't know what's going on. I heard like 5 calls. You might want to bite. I will touch these. Ooh. You touch a tooth, you can feel it. Oh, it's burning. Give me a second. So you touch a tooth, you can feel it. Touch another one.
Woo.
That one is actually him, not me.
Touching his teeth right now.
He doesn't always react though, so you gotta give a little oomph to it. If you touch his tongue, I'll be honest, he's probably not gonna shut. You mess it up. Okay, stop. Do this right, you lose your goatee for a few days. That's not too bad, I promise. But we will need his help. So Charlie, take it away. Charlie. Hey, wake up, don't laugh at me, dude. He's just a little sensitive nap. He's probably hungry, right? Please do not feed any wild alligators once fed. They lose that ear, and now you have a. That's usually a kitty gator. Captivity. The oldest gator today is 88 years old, and he's theorizing up to 100. So night in the daytime. So if you see one, they're probably like a squid, like I can't see the dude. They have a sixth sense. Check this out. Look at the side of his face, and they have these little organs, these little black dots. You see them covering his mouth. Those are each we'll call dermal plus receptors. They are 10 times more sensitive than our fingertips. Those allow them to feel birds flying and fish swimming. They feel vibrations and movement, and that's how he can hunt. He can have his eyes closed and feel something going by. Bam, grab it.
It's the famous gator wrangler right here.
Everyone look out for your fingers. Remember, no fingers or hands inside the tank. I'll take a picture right here. Well, no, I'm saying go hard. No, just lower this rest. Yeah.
It's gonna show you.
A baby alligator in there.
So, I don't know where any one of y'all are from, guys. I don't know where y'all been. I don't know how y'all feel about gators. Some people here are excited. Some people are a little scared.
He got some baby alligators in the tank.
Don't worry about. They're not going to try biting you.
I used to have one as a pet.
They're my babies. They're not going to try biting you, but they will do. They're going to shake. And this just means they are alive. Do your best not to drop them. Now, this is Jelly Bean. This is my 5-year-old. She's my biggest one. Grab her tail, grab her chest. She should be all right. Holding a baby. Give her a pet. Kiss. Now, band goes on.
Okay.
Now that's Jelly Bean. This here is Dutch. Dutch is a lot easier to hold. You say hi, Dutch? Hi, Dutch. Band goes on.
Come
on, Dad. I'll help you. Are you with them? Come on, Dad.
Oh my God!
Yeah, wiggle.
Have you had anything?
Thank you. Oh yeah. Oh, he's good too.
¡No lo muevan! ¡No muevan!
Oh my God. He can see me. He wants to bite me. I love you too, buddy. I love you too.
It feels soft. He's got soft skin.
I feel like he's gonna sense my fear and then fall off.
A wiggle.
Can you keep holding him while I hold him?
Shh.
Just take a picture really quick. Oh my God.